Hello friends, once again all of you are welcome in the English tutorials of vocabulary by SK Sir. Once again in this lecture we are going to cover the topic of some more trending words. For today's lecture we have selected the word quarantine versus isolation. Before starting the lecture, please subscribe this channel to enhance your knowledge. Actually, both the words convey same meaning, but the basic difference lies in their use. Let's have a definition of both the words one by one. First word is quarantine, a period of time when a person or animal that has or may have infectious disease must be kept away from other people or animals. Now let us see what the isolation is telling. The separation of a person or a group of people known reasonably believed to be infected with a communicable disease. By both the definition, now it is clear the both the word convey almost the same meaning. Now the difference between them is in quarantine, people are put in quarantine when they are not currently sick, whereas on the other hand, in isolation, people are kept in isolation when they are actually sick. One more major difference in quarantine, this help to stop the spread of disease who are not currently sick. For isolation, this help to prevent the spread of disease from an infected person to non-infected person. Now I think from this slide it is clear how the quarantine help and how the isolation help. Hopes overall some more knowledge about these words. Quarantine comes from the Italian word quarantina. Quarantina means a period of 40 days derived from the word quaranta. I hope both the words are very much clear to all of you. That's all in today's lecture. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and secure.